Hello, today we are going to take a look at this external Sony microphone. The model number is a ECM HST1. It's using accessory interface multi-pin shoe. You can find that on many different Handycam cameras. This is a HDR-UX1. It have a quite annoying problem that it's going to pick up spinning disc. We are going to see whether is using external microphone going to change anything and does it going to improve the audio quality. This is a stereo microphone. As you can see, we've got left channel and right channel. All the power and the signal are going through this multi-pin interface. I believe it's going to be called a active interface. It is quite similar to something modern because Sony is released a multi-interface shoe and they are little bit similar in the look but completely different, and they are of course not compatible. With this device we've got a dead kitten, which is basically a wind muff. So if we are recording audio outside, then this is going to prevent from the wind noise. But it is more like a dead mouse in the size. So let's try to plug in to the camera and let's see what's going to be the audio quality. It is a little bit of the shotgun mic. As you can see, we've got places where the audio can go inside and being cancelled. So it is a directional microphone, but depending on the length, just like on the Yagi Uda antenna, you are going to get more directional sound. How to mount it? First, we are going to remove the cover, and this is how the connector looks like. We've got the arrow pointing, and we've got the arrow on the back that is going aligned. We are going to make sure that our screw is on the release, and we are going to just slide it like that and secure by rotating the screw. And this is the mounted microphone. First we are going to do a control group with a built-in microphone. So I'm going to remove it and I'm going to power on our camcorder, and I'm just going to angle at myself. Of course, this is not a perfect condition for the shotgun mic, but I'm going to make a separate test video testing it from a couple meter distance. So I'm going to hit record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is built-in microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's enough. Now we are going to plug the external microphone. It is currently on the 90-degree angle. And let's record the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the external microphone. 90-degree angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go into 120, more wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 120 angle. on the external microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a really basic test footage. I'm going to grab a stand. I'm going to mount it and make myself like a 5-meter distance and show you how does it sound. Built-in microphone 5 meter. Built-in microphone 4 meter. Built-in microphone 3 meter. Built-in microphone 2 meter. Built-in microphone 1 meter. Next to the camera. External microphone 90-degree angle 5 meter. External microphone 90-degree angle 4 meter. External microphone 90-degree angle 3 meter. External microphone 90-degree angle 2 meter. External microphone 90-degree angle 1 meter. External microphone 90-degree angle on side of the camera. External microphone 120 degree 5 meter. External microphone 120 degree 4 meter. External microphone 120 degree 3 meter. External microphone 120 degree 2 meter. External microphone 120 degree 1 meter. External microphone 120 degree on side of the camera. And this is how it sounds. You was able to hear the completely raw footage from the camcorder. It do not have any adjustment inside of the software. It is like a fully automatic. You do not change any levels. And this is what it came from that camera. So you can judge by yourself whether it is an improvement or not. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.